Hi children, today we are going to draw few more vegetables. Okay, so take a A4 sheet or a book, draw borders, divide into 6 parts. So let's start. So the first one is, all of you like this, see here. Draw a line, 2 lines like this, small curve, the other side also like this. Then in this end just start drawing like this. And the end should be like this. Don't make it a sharp end. Okay, it should be like this. Then in middle just draw lines. Okay, we'll draw one more like this. So what is this, children? Yes, your favorite. What is it? Nothing but lady's finger. Okay, now we'll write here. What is this? Lady's finger. Okay, then the next one is, see, even this is very easy. Just give a curved lines like this till the edge. Small one, then again curved line. Here the end should be little sharp. Then in between also just curved lines. One more we'll draw. What is this, children? Yes. What is this? Bitter gourd. What is this? Bitter gourd. The next one, okay, just draw a line here, 2 lines like this, and then we did for onion, you remember? The same way. Okay, but this is not onion. See here, what is this? Make this stem little big. What is this? Is garlic. Garlic. Okay, then to the next one. See, just curved lines. Okay, then around this leaves like this. Yes, you're correct, children. What is this? Then line like this. What is this? Then dotted line inside this here. So what is this? Yes, it's cauliflower. See? Okay. The next one is, if you eat this, it will be very spicy. So what is it? Yes, you are absolutely correct. It's Chilli. What is it? Chilli. Sorry if you forgot to write her name. It's cauliflower. This is green chilies. Okay. The next one is a leafy vegetable. What is it? A leafy vegetable. Yeah, you must have guessed it correct. It's spinach. What is it? So what is this? Spinach. Okay. Now we are going to color it. So first we'll start with lady's finger. So which color it will be? Give outline. Go with this one. Give outline. And then fill it inside. First do light green and then on that again give light shading of dark green. See here? Okay. The next one also will do like that. First give outline. Then fill it inside. First we are doing light green. On top of that again dark green. Okay. Now the next one is bitter gourd. Again give outline. I'm giving outline with the green color, dark green color. Okay, and then I'm filling it inside with light green. I think today we are doing all green vegetables, right? Most of these are green. Fill both with light green. Okay, then take this green and dark green. We'll just give lines. Okay. See here. Okay, the next one is it's garlic. Usually garlic will be white in color and little yellow shade will be there. So what we'll do is we will just give a light yellow shade. Usually it will be white only, just we are giving light yellow shade. Very light, like how yesterday we did for onion, right? The same way, just give a light shade. Okay. Next one is cauliflower. Even the cauliflower also, this will be usually white in color with little yellow shade. So we'll fill inside light yellow. Okay. Then outside it will be green color. So if you see, for every leaf I am giving an outline and then I am filling it inside. Yes, children, can you see this? Okay. So done with cauliflower. Then we'll do green chilies. Dark green we'll do. This green will do this green. You must have seen some red chilies also. So after doing this green, you can take yellow. On top of this, if you do, exactly you'll get the color. See? Or if you don't want to do like this also, you can do completely green also. So I'm showing you both the variations. Chilies will be of different colors, light green, dark green. If it is ripened, it will be in red in color. So it depends how you want it. Fine. And the last one is leafy vegetable. Okay. Then, yeah, you know, right, we are going to give with black outline. Here we are just giving outline whatever we colored it. So here dots are also there, we are doing with black. The cauliflower, inside the dots are there, right? I'm going to do the dots with okay. Then even for bitter gourd we are giving outline. And finally for garlic. Okay, so with this we finished doing our vegetables and fruits. So now you have Sunday, right? So what you can do is you can take one more A4 sheet or anything like this. On that, whatever fruits I told you or whatever vegetables I told you, you have to draw a fruit basket or a vegetable basket, your wish. Okay, nicely draw a fruit basket or a vegetable basket, color it, and you have to send it to us. Okay, children? So by Monday I should see everybody's drawing. Apart from the vegetables or fruits, whatever we did, if you don't have A4 sheet, no problem, you can do it in a book. Okay, and you have to draw a fruit basket or a vegetable basket. Okay, children? Okay then, bye.